Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.1-inch IPS touchscreen spatial phone, Tesla style screen spatial for Toyota Land Cruiser 2022 to 27. Okay, you can check this UI interface. It comes with this install part. And metal install and the screws. It will come with a special canvas box and harness. So it's plug and play. Okay. Let me show it. It's built in the microphone. And this reset hole is the AC button. Okay. It's built in the navigation, built in Google Maps, radio, music, console. It's AMP, video, Bluetooth, phone link, easy connection for mirror link. Settings, apps. It's built in the Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Google Play Store and its maps. Okay. Let me show the settings. GPS, date and time, language, is DSP amplifier, is back, sound field, and brightness. User setting, steering controls, and system info. You can check Android 9, it's around 4 GB, and ROM 4 GB, net flash 64 GB. Okay, most settings, it's built-in Wi-Fi, and storage RAM total 64 GB, PX6 chip, Android 9 system. Okay, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check this pin code 1234. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Click to search. Okay, choose it, connect. Your phone will receive the message. Please allow. Allow the context listing or refuse. Okay. Show Bluetooth connected. You can make a phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call. You can stream in music from your phone. Okay, this is stream music from your phone. And there are two USB cable and this USB driver. Connect and play music. From USB. This DSP amplifier. Okay, adjust the balance. Okay, this video. Support PIP function. It supports play 4K video. This AC information. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us by our website belsee.com.